Think you know pivot tables? Well, think again. Here are 6 insanely useful pivot table tricks that most Excel users have never even heard of, but they can save you minutes or even hours every single week. Let's start with magic. Literally one click that creates 30, 50, or even 500 sheets in one go. Imagine you need a separate worksheet for each product. Instead of manually copying names, creating new sheets, and renaming them one by one, let Excel do the work for you. Just insert a pivot table and drag the product name field into the filters area. Then go to PivotTable Analyze. Options. Show Report Filter Pages, select the field, and click OK. Excel instantly creates a worksheet for every product. No copying, no formulas, just pure automation. And what's more insane is that it creates them alphabetically. Next up, the pivot table layout. The default compact layout is, well, compact, but not great for readability. Go to Pivot Table Design. Report Layout. Show in tabular form. Now each field appears in its own column. Clean headings, aligned values, and a structure that's perfect for exporting or further analysis. Next, the mysterious filter button most users don't even know exists, and that only appears when your mouse hits the exact right pixel. Normally, the filter on the last totals column is invisible. Sometimes it feels impossible to access. But if you move your mouse to the far right edge of the totals column, the filter suddenly appears. Click it to filter top values, bottom values, or specific totals without changing your pivot table layout. Once you see it, you'll wonder how you ever missed it. Here's a game changer for auditing. Double-click any number in your pivot table. Excel instantly creates a new sheet with every original row behind that value. It's the fastest way to troubleshoot or drill into details. No searching through the dataset. Moving on to calculated fields. You don't need formulas outside the pivot table. Go to Pivot Table Analyze. Fields, Items and Sets. Calculated field. Give it a name like VAT, and type something like equals unit price times 0.11. Or whatever rate you use. Excel will instantly add a calculated column inside the pivot, dynamic, automatic, and part of the pivot refresh cycle. And finally, the sneaky renaming trick. Try to rename sum of unit price to unit price, and Excel blocks you. Pivot table field name already exists. The fix? Add one invisible space at the end. Type unit price space. Excel accepts it. Your pivot looks clean, and nobody ever notices the space. These 6 pivot table tricks can make a huge difference in how fast and efficiently you work in Excel. As usual, if you learned something new, hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment, and tell me which trick was your favorite. Don't forget to share it with someone who needs it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.